Hello everyone, my name's Jane Edwards. Welcome to Music Therapy Online. It's my privilege to be able to speak to you over this lecture about deep ecology and music therapy. So it's my pleasure and privilege to share with you the concept of deep ecology and the ways you might use it in your own practice as a way of mental hygiene, as a way of bringing calmness, peace and beauty into sessions of music therapy, and to think about how you might consider theorists like Carolyn Kenny and some of her concepts and their relevance to your work. I very much hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's lovely to have the opportunity to present to you. As I discuss and present aspects of deep ecology, I hope that you will learn about where it fits with your practice and your concept of yourself as a practitioner. I'm going to be thinking about and presenting on the origins of deep ecology, the challenges, not just the challenges that one faces in implementing it, but also what it challenges in our practice. Then I'll talk about Carolyn Kenny and her work, and in general, the applications for music therapy practice.